Hi everyone. Right, I've had a request to show you how I did this tag because that will help you to create one similar yourself. Now what you're going to need is a tag. I've just cut this out of chipboard. You're going to need some modelling paste, and this is the one I use, Winsor & Newton Gallery acrylic mediums, heavy carvable modelling paste. You can excuse me, you can also use this well, there's other, gels, mediums and things like that. As long as like a paste, you will be able to create it. Now, first of all, what I'm going to do this time that I didn't do last time, I did the heart last, I'm now going to put the heart in first. I'm just going to spread a little bit like that. And let me just get this measured up. Well, I think we'll do it there. Like that. And then I'm going to clean around the edges because I don't want it there. Okay. Just take off what you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then lift that off. Now mine's a little bit higher on one side than the other. I can see a little bit more to clean that. Okay. And that's fine. I'm quite happy with that. You don't have to have it equal, even. I like mine to have a bit of texture in it. Okay? And then all you're going to do is you take some of your, move that out of the way. Take some of your paste, spread it on. I don't want it too near the heart because I'm going to put some beads around it, should I say. Okay, so it's only a thin layer you need, you don't need a lot. Okay, and that's what you've got there. Now, all I did was I just did that. Lots and lots of marks like that, and that gets you like your wood grain. Put a little bit more on there. Just keep cutting into it and it gets you like your wood grain. And I'm going to turn the tag round. Take some more. Clean your palette knife off. You don't have to have these if you've only got the the white plastic ones, because I use them as well. They're just as good as a metal one. I'm just going to soak mine a minute so I can wipe that off. Always clean your tools. Clean them, look after them. Now, what I'm going to do now is just to dry that. This won't dry because it's not drying quick enough, but the rest of it will. All I'm going to do now is to let that cool down. As it cools down, that will harden. That's fine. And you can run this video back obviously and follow it stage by stage. I will always try and do step by step. And anything anybody wants me to do, you just have to ask. If I can do it, I will. I'll show you. Just cooling this down as quick as we can. But you know, when you look at these, they're absolutely fabulous the way they've turned out. I'm chuffed to death with it. I love this one. Renji. You must tell me how you say your name. And just fabulous, and I'm absolutely thrilled with all of it. I did put the fleur-de-lis in after doing that with some glossy accents with flower. They are really good. I mean, you could do it on any background, you don't have to do it on a tag. Now, hopefully we can get this going. So what I'm going to do is I took the walnut stain first, and I'm just going to have to, because it's not quite dry enough, but you know, I'm going to okay, and I just did that on the ends like that. Then you take your water and you spray that, and you can see them colours mix. And blend. They were just fabulous, fabulous colours. And then dry that off. Now, like I say, I'm not sure whether that will stick at the moment, or whether I'll have to leave that a little bit longer before I do the next stage, but I'm going to test it, because if it's damp enough it will work. Yes, it is a little bit, I think. Let me just try and do that. I'm trying to keep as much of that on it as I can. Let me just that's fine. Now we just have to wait for that to cool down. But look at that, look at the texture in that. Isn't that fabulous? And the colours, it's just like a wood. That could be like a fairy door. Look at that. Lots and lots of ideas. Think differently. Think outside the box. You know, you could put a door handle on that and that will become a door in a tree or a wall or whatever you want it to be. Could be mythical, anything. Just think about it. That's not dry yet, but that will start to cool down and harden. So I'm not bothered about that at all. And now that's cooling down to touch. What I'm going to do now, you know me, I love this stuff. Okay, just a little bit on your fingers. Absolutely love this one. It's just, look at it. Fabulous. So, now I've just got another one as well. I just want to try. This is a lighter one. Just to tone that one down a little bit. And this is a Viva Inca Gold. Love that. That's stunning. Oops a daisy. So I'm absolutely thrilled with that. And again, like you say, we have a different one. That's a lot thicker, a lot more thicker, should I say. Love it though. And then just me pop this back in the tub. Just pop that away there. What I am going to do is, because I've put that one on, I'm just going to go down the edges with the darker one again. I mean, look at this, what you're getting. Doesn't matter if you haven't got this, you could use gold paint. You know, I used gold paint until I got this, because it was hard to get hold of. I like that. And then all we've got to do now is do the red heart. It's Americana, this is primary red. And let me just find a brush. Yeah, that's fine. Right, what I'm going to do now, let me just see if I've got another fleur-de-lis. I wanted it a little bit soft anyway, and I want that to sink slightly, like that. I might as well put the bling on, haven't I? Oh no. Do I, don't I? No, I don't like the look of that. It looks yucky. I'm not doing that. I will find something for that. And there you go. So, hope you like them. This is the one from Renjar. This is mine. Obviously, I haven't done exactly the same, but it was the background texture that I wanted to get done. And quite made up with it. Quite made up with it, like that. Oh, I didn't put any of the lines on, but never mind. I was just trying the technique. Loved it. Thanks for watching. Speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye for now.